What is up everyone, it's Jira Bro back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use the JQL in order to find all of the issues that are tied to a specific project lead. So stay tuned, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel as well.
Never slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
Alright everyone, so in this video you're actually going to navigate to your JQL and we're going to take on all of the issues where Alana Grant is actually the project lead. Now how you can actually do this, what is the query for this? So for the query for this is going to be project followed by in. And when you hit space, you're going to get this option in here that says projects lead by user. Now, what happens in here is if you left this to be blank, it will actually show all of the issues where you, as the current logged in user, you are the project lead, and if you are the project lead as well. So if I hit enter in here, it's going to return these issues right here. But in order to specify for the project lead, which is the Alana Grant, what we actually need to have in here is going to be her username. Now we cannot actually specify this by just typing in Alana or having this within the semicolons. It just within the quotes, it just won't work. So what you do is within your user management, you're actually going to find the Alana Grant, and everything that is after the users, this is going to be her actual account ID. So if we copy and paste this, now what happens if we actually search for this is going to return all of the possible issues from the projects where the Alana Grant is actually the project lead. And as you can see, there are a lot of issues actually in here. And yes, she is the project lead, and this doesn't actually also mean that it returns the issues where she's the assignee. Actually, the specified is the project lead. Of course, in here, as you can see, the assignee sure is the Alana Grant, but the other issues that were actually in here is they are actually specifying that, well, basically she's not the project lead. And as you can see, this is what is happening in here. This was something that was actually being pulled out for having the security operations, and as you can see, this is the ticket itself. So you can also see how it works, and of course you can also see that she actually made the internal note in here. So that is something that is interesting. Let's look at the second one. Now, as you can see, the second one in here was actually being marked as done. There was no mentioning of Alana Grant by this ticket, but then again, it is actually in here. So this is how you can actually go and search by each project lead. If you actually need to have this, if you need to have this as a filter, you can actually also export this if you need to actually show this to your stakeholders, if this is actually their business requirement. So that is everything that you needed to know for this specific video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye.